What's going on in the garden? Hey, I thought I'd give you a little quick update on some changes that have occurred in the garden. Just to let you know what it's like to do some gardening here in Arizona in case you're interested. Let's go take a look. One change is we've gone to a shade cover. This one is a fairly light shade cover, but in light of not really knowing how much we need, I thought I'd start with something light like this. I have no idea what percent this is blocking out, but it creates a fair amount of shade here on the garden. And with us looking at 115 to 117 next week, those of you that have gardens that you want to keep, might be a good idea to think about this. Okay, here we are. As you can see, zucchini has really taken off. We are getting some, but not as many. We took one off last week. There's another one starting. I guess I thought there'd be more production, but that's okay. There's lots of flowers, so I think it's going to happen. Our cucumbers are pretty slow growing. They're happening, but they're probably sort of drowned out by our by our zucchinis. And then our challenges. Kale didn't do so good, and I didn't figure it would this time of the year. It's a winter crop, really. Peppers, slow growing, but we got some peppers going there. Let's see if you guys can see them. There we go. One tomato took a major hit. This guy right here. It got some sort of leaf cutters on it, which I did get knocked out, but it pretty well wiped out this plant. We got some fruit on it. It's unfortunate. It had some nice fruit. All the others have done really, really good. And though some of them got a little bit of effect from it, most of them aren't too bad. Uh-oh, here's my criminal dog going for a tomato. Let's get you out of here. Let's go, Eggs. Yeah, that was why we had to put the fence in around this garden. So anyway, like any garden, some things worked really great, like most of the tomatoes. And some things worked okay, like the peppers and zucchinis. And some things, not so much. So that is it. In the meantime, let me get my master criminal dog out of here. Come on, Axe. Come on. Thank you. And hope your gardens are going well.